Good morning, stream. I don't have a camera. Hold up. Actually, that's okay because I'm making a new call this biz dev. Making a new scene right now. It's gonna include my desktop. Display capture. Desktop. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, let's cut off the bottom. Okay, and then we're gonna add myself to this video capture device. We'll call it Zach. Very good, very good. That's gonna be me in a few minutes. I'll put myself right here. Very, very nice. Actually, let's shrink down this display so you can see everything. Minus our taskbar. That's not that important. There we go. Perfect. All right. Sorry. Yeah, I'm fucking late today. My bad. I said 9 and then I said 9:10 and then yeah, it just wasn't good. Okay, let's get the Zach cam going. Oh, there we are. That's not Zach. That's my desktop. Let's see if it's upside down today. Oh, there's me. Hello everybody. Straight out of the shower. Let me set that up real quick. Yeah, see this is how I that's how I've been doing it. I like get rid of oh Jesus Christ. See, they like to do that. They fuck with you. They like to send ads. So then you got to do this. Turn your phone completely the other way. Yeah. Oh shit. My bad. Okay. There we go. Um who's watching? It's probably just me. It's kind of sad. Fuck. Okay. Jesus Christ. This fucking cable right here just keeps turning the camera around and around. How about now? We good? Alright. I think that's decent enough. I'm still not in the camera. There we go. See, this is what I get, so I'll show you. This free software. Oh shit. Wrong one. But this free software includes a watermark. So as the thrifty person I am, I simply just move it off the screen. So it looks like I'm professional. There you go. So for those of you watching later, Aakash is MIA. So we decided to move the show for today at 7 p.m. It's going to be called Late Night with Zach and Aakash, but we decided, well, it's Late Night with Zach and Aakash, but I'm going to consider it part of the Zach and Aakash show. So it'll be probably uploaded to Spotify and all of the other podcasting apps, like we did with the previous episode, which went very, very well. It's now on Spotify. So we're still following our principle of 1% better every day. I think that's a good way to do it, because right now we're at MVP pretty much. We have a fully working podcast, us talking. People can access it pretty much anywhere now. We're still getting approved on Apple Podcasts and Google Podcasts. Spotify was relatively quick, but we have it on Anchor, so even if we needed to just share the audio with someone, they could go on Anchor and listen to it from there. It's on YouTube. That's just for the live audience part we like to include. But I think we achieved a minimum viable product within about a week, which is good. I mean, it's just audio related stuff. It's nothing. It's not like a crazy software package that we created. But yeah, if you're ever building a business one day, make sure that you start off with a minimum viable product because you're going to save time that way. And so now we're kind of shifting into um, a different part of this whole process, which is, sorry, that was the stream playing. I'm sending it to a couple people. But now we're at a completely different process, which is customer discovery. So what I'm going to do now is do some internal stuff because why not? I'm up already. And why not live stream it? Because we're documenting the whole process. It fits into my whole like document the 20s stuff. Yeah, we're gonna see where our podcast goes, but you know, if we do well, we can go back and look at to our first episode, which was me trying to fucking figure out how to use OBS on a Mac. Uh, so we've definitely come a long way. Um, I will now send this link to some friends. And my Discord is going to shoot up on the fucking desktop again. Oh, got him. That's right. I tricked you. You're not going to be able to see that. Okay, back to the main show. I'm getting better at this, protecting my information. Let's see who's online. No one's active right now. Corona boys. Yeah, so I was late today because I decided to sleep in. Just because we decided not to meet today for our standard time. Yeah, so right now, so the first thing on the agenda is to build a new podcast logo. Aakash and I talked about it before. There's a website called, let's see if I can get it up. I think it's this one. Okay, well, we're basically going to there's a website that makes free avatars, and we decided that it's quick and easy, so we can use that as our initial logo. It's really important not to focus on the logo too much. Oh shit, I'm on the wrong scene. There we go, that's better. But it's important not to focus on the logo too much, as it is not your business. Our business is us speaking on a podcast. Yeah, so there's no point into making. Fuck, I gotta find where it was. It's spelled weird. I think it was called Free Avatar. There we go. Okay, so this is the website that we've used a lot for creating all sorts of different avatars for various projects. It's completely free, and you can use it anywhere you want commercially. So we're gonna go ahead and use that as our logo. Akash has his done. I will pull his up real quick. Here's Akash's. This is Akash's website. I do want to make one of these one day because they're very cool. Yeah, so I'm gonna save image just on the desktop. Let's see if I can pull it on here. Cannot be opened. Nice. I fucked up. I completely fucked that up. All right, let's just look at all of Akash's code then. Da, da, da. So that's his asset. Can I take it from here? Yeah, I'm doing this live right now, so I apologize for not knowing how to do some of this stuff. Interesting. SVGs are a bit weird. I've always felt that way. All right, let's just make mine. Cautious is like that, so I guess we're gonna have to do that. I mean, I could literally just remake his with a with not a, I could remake his without the background. Yeah, let's see if I could do that. This might make my life a little easier just to have it on. So he's got that little cowlick. Yeah, that's it. Shave sides. Short hair dreads. Short hair. No, that's like my hair. A mullet. Bald. The Caesar cut. Definitely not that one. Can I just like, is there a way to go through? Oh, yes, here we go. There we go, there it is. Accessories, no accessories. Hair. Did he make it black in his? Yeah, it looks like it. Facial hair, he's got a beard, so we're just gonna. Is that one? Yep. He's wearing a hoodie. Looks like an interesting navy. Or is it black? It's like almost that. A little darker. I think it's that. I don't know. Now he's got himself winking. Winking. How about that? He should get a fucking tear in his eye. No, I'm not gonna do that. Yeah, there you go. Eyebrow. One of them's raised. See, that's like white Akash. Yeah. All right, we'll get him back to his I think it's dark brown. No. What? It doesn't look right. Tanned? No. Black? No. It looks different. Well, we'll do both. We're gonna do both just in case. Kosh will get mad if I fuck up his avatar, but I would rather not use the SVG version just because it's too complicated for me. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, the nose is correct. Yeah, everything looks correct for the most part. Okay. Now we're gonna do the Zach. All right, first of all, I don't have a beard. I have a weird mustache, but I'm not gonna bother putting that in. So we're just gonna get rid of that. I'm a little, I guess I'm light complexion. Yeah, I got like, that's close enough for me. I have relatively short hair. And if I was in high school, that's what I would look like. I mean, it's like that sometimes. Right now it's not because I took a shower, but yeah, we'll go with that for now. When I have it up, it's like that. I don't want any, see, my hair is dark brown. Like, that's too brown, I think. Like, no one has, I don't think anyone has hair that looks like that. But I'm gonna have to go with black because that's the closest. This is dark brown. It's not black. Graphic t-shirt. You know, usually I'm wearing just a plain black t-shirt like that. I don't want to wink. Surprised. Oh God. Squint. Cry. Happy. We'll go with happy. Do I look like that? I really don't know. You can build your personal product. Shit. It's pretty crazy. Mouth. Eating. That's fucking gross. Smile. Yeah, I feel like that kind of looks like me. I mean, we could try to put a little. Yeah. No. Okay, yeah. I guess that's me. Um, good enough. Right? MVP. Okay. So now we need size of, what's it called? Podcast thumbnail. Podcast cover. Someone says 3,000 by 3,000. Okay. 3,000 by 3,000. Damn, that is huge. Okay. I think a cool podcast background color would be just solid black. Yeah, that looks cool. Um, so what we can do, this is kind of fucked up. Um, do we have a browser? No, we don't. Yeah, we do. So what we could do, which is kind of fucked up, why don't we add me in there? There we go. There's me. So this is kind of fucked up, but a lot of the times in business, it's okay to like borrow from other people. So why don't we find one that we kind of like, and we'll not really copy it, but we'll just take like a close format. Um, so let's start at the top. That looks cool. Uh, I do kind of like this one. That's where I got that like black from. I mean, all right. First of all, we shouldn't do full black. It should be like a lighter. Let's see. We'll go back to it. That's kind of cool. Like this one has two people in it, so like Aakash and Ice is also two people. So like we might do something like this. Akash mentioned incorporating a microphone, which I agree with. Yeah, why don't we do that? Let's go back to BizDev. Okay, so this is our starting point right now. What the fuck is this? There we go. That's what I wanted. We're gonna start with Start with black. We don't want it too dark. Um, Whoa. That's green. Ew. That's kind of cool. That's not bad. Remember on our first startup that we did together before we failed, we like spent way too much time just talking about the color of our logo. Yeah, that's part of the reason why we failed. So I'm not gonna spend too much time. Yeah, let's that's okay for now, I guess. There's me. There's Akash. Okay. The fuck was that? Let me pull up our reference. Two people next to each other. I fucked up. We gotta make sure we're the same size. Roughly the same size. I think his hoodie's bigger than mine. That's pretty much the same size. It's We're gonna do that. I don't like the background anymore. Oh shit. Let's move Aakash over a little. I look taller. I could be using Photoshop, but mine's bootlegged and I don't want to get in trouble. Also, it locks my entire computer sometimes. Okay. Oh, look, what's up, Daniel? Akash is currently MIA. We're going to do a late night show tonight. Sorry, I didn't see the chat, but we're going to do a late night show tonight, so I figured I would do some biz dev stuff in the current time. So that's why it's called episode 8A. I guess tonight will be episode 8B. It's going to be called the late night show with Zach and Akash. People will be able to dial in and stuff. We're going to share. I think Discord would be a cool way to do that. So Akash and I will talk later today on how we're going to organize that. Yeah, I don't like the background color. Where the fuck did the toolbar go? There it is. What's this? What is this? Color mode. Oops. That's an interesting gray. Oh shit. Just fucked up. Feel free to ask me questions if you guys want about like life. If you want life advice. You know, I don't know. It's just me working. I figured I'd live stream it because like it's cool to put on here just to document the whole process of like a podcast. So now we need to find a free microphone. Free microphone image. Jesus Christ. So we'll go back to the browser. Wow, that completely... What? Oh, I'm in the wrong browser. My bad. Alright, let me pop out chat real quick, because I keep fucking up. Let's see, pop out chat. Let's move y'all over yonder so I can see you. Because I'm working right now. Alright, chat's over here. Perfect. Perfect. I feel like a pro streamer. Alright, so we're looking for a free microphone. Jesus Christ. Free microphone. See, I looked up illustration because we're on that cartoon style deal. I mean, if this was free, I mean, that wouldn't be... Is that free? I mean, that's not bad. It's free. Fuck yeah. Let's just download it. I gotta sign in with Facebook. Wait, what is like... Can I just download from here? Okay. Oh, we got to go back to the main show. Or no, pre-show. No, I mean, sorry. That's the waffles from yesterday. Download. I gotta log in. If we get hacked, this is it's part of the experience. Jesus fuck. Now I'm getting spammed with coupons and stuff. Okay. Let me pull up BizDev. Let's slap that right here. Add layer. You know, that's not terrible. That's not a terrible microphone. Okay. It's temporary. I know some people might be cringing right now, but it's temporary. All right, so now we need a text that says, "Does Zach?" Holy fuck, I can't even see that. Let's pick a new layer real quick. Da, da, da. 72 for now, I guess. Can't even see it. Probably because of the color. We'll just put it red for now, so I can see it. Oh, Jesus. The Zach and Aakash show. You know, I really fuck with it's called Courier. It's like a typewriter font. Yeah, that's pretty cool. We're gonna have to up the font a lot. That's too much. 216, 144. Zach and Aakash show. It's shit. Hold up. Don't judge. What's up, Richie? How you doing? It's kind of shitty. Oh god. Okay, let's look up some. We need to draw some inspiration. Podcast thumbnail. I'm not an artist. I've had to do stuff like this before. Let's move back to the browser. I've had to do stuff like this before. Okay. Okay, what if we put a border? Yeah, why don't we put a border around I don't know, our logo looks so bad. Haha. I know someone's gonna be like, Zach, if you pay me $100, I'll make you a logo or a thumbnail. No, don't do that. We can make our own. You gotta get Swifty. Thank you, Richie. So these icons are from. I'll pull up the website real quick, actually, since you guys are interested. Oh, whoops, sorry. They're from this website. It's called Get Avatars with 3 A's. You can make your own avatar and use it on pretty much anything for free. We've used it on a bunch of projects in the past, so it's definitely worth checking out. All right, let me go back to the. Oh wait, we're on the browser. Jeez. Okay. So this is how I usually work. This is usually my workflow. If I'm not a designer, so like, if you're not a designer, Jesus Christ, this is like annoying. But if you're not a designer, it helps to look for other designers' works. Don't copy it, but like take inspiration from it. Like look at what elements they have and stuff like that. See which ones you like. Um, maybe one day. I don't know. I've done this stuff for work though. It's like what looks good, what doesn't look good. Um, yeah, it's just it helps. But right now, I'm gonna try to find one that I like. A lot of these are using real photos, but I don't have the time. We don't have the time right now to track that stuff down. Um, maybe we could look up podcast cartoon thumbnail. What the fuck? Okay. Uh. Yeah. Okay. That's good. Maybe not. All right. Fuck it. We're gonna throw in a border around our podcast logo. So I'm gonna make a new layer. We're gonna get ourselves a rectangle, and we're gonna do that. Did that do anything? What is this? Oh, that's our text. Can't even see it. And no problem for the website. I hope everyone's having a lovely, was it Friday? I don't have any real classes today. I usually have I get sent a text document, and that's my, I guess that's my course load, which isn't bad. Um, I prefer that because then I can pick when I want to do stuff. Okay, so we're gonna try to build. We're just gonna hide everything real quick. Actually, can we? No, just kidding. Okay, so we want to build a. That's not a rectangle. That's rectangle select. Shapes. Rectangle. Basic. So we're going to build ourselves a nice rectangle. What the fuck is going on? What is that? I don't know what this red shit is up here. A nice rectangle. Actually, fuck it. We're just going to delete layer 6 and start over because I fucked up. Let's get ourselves a nice rectangle. A nice. Oh god. Nice rectangle. And then we're going to have a. Whoa. It's all sorts of different types of fills. We'll do a solid fill. This is the. Yep. Color. White. Shrink it down a bit. Is there a way to like snap things into place? So that's why Photoshop is better, I think, than this free shit. Okay, that looks kind of cool. Honestly, that already looks infinitely. Oh, no one can see what I'm doing. Oh shit. That already looks a little bit better than what we had before. Okay, so not bad, not bad. So maybe if Akash and I are both down here. Can I see my layers? Thank you. Just maybe if we're down here. What the fuck? Why did your head get sliced off? Yo. What happened? Whatever. I'll just delete it. What the fuck? I'll just delete it and pull them in again. Wherever it went. Oops. Shit, don't look. Oh, that's the wrong one. Sorry. It's in my downloads. Is it this one? This one. This one. Gosh, might get mad at me. It might be the wrong skin tone. Please don't beat me up, Aakash. I'm doing my best. Sorry, I can't see over the camera. It's fucking... Okay. Alright, that's not that bad. Layer 6? Where is layer 6? I guess it's disappeared. There we go. That's fucking what I'm talking about. Yeah, that's right. So what if we kind of... You know, that's not that bad. That kind of looks cool already. Like, that was accidental. Huh. What if we did like a colon? No, what if it was like, you know, it's artistic. I don't know what I'm doing. That's not that bad. Could we center? Ew. It's kind of gross. What's up, Ryan? In case you missed it, Aakash is MIA right now. He's doing something. So we rescheduled the actual show for later tonight. So I'm just going through the exact process of creating business dev style stuff. So right now we're building a new logo for our podcast, because right now we're doing a temporary logo. No idea. Here's the microphone. Yo, I fuck with that actually. Hold up. I fuck with that. Yo, I fuck with this actually. I fuck with this. Yo, that's actually not bad. Does anyone else in chat fuck with this? Chat? That's not that bad. Okay, we're getting somewhere. Maybe move it a little more. We're gonna move it behind us though. There we go. Oh. We gotta move this in front. Oh shit. Yeah, I don't think it's that bad. Maybe the text could be just a tad bigger, maybe. What is this? Oh, what the fuck? Why is that still there? Fuck. See, it does that thing. I'm so bad at using this, by the way. Why is it still fucking so... What? Whoa. Whoa. Chill. Oh, layer 6 has... Huh, layer 6 has the text attached to it. So if we get rid of all these... Where's the back? Yeah, layer 6 has it. Interesting. What the fuck? That's not terrible. Honestly, I fuck with it. Let me move Aakash over a little bit. He's a little bit too close to... It's not perfect, obviously, but no one's really going to notice my mistakes too much unless they're like a OD design artist. This is like my favorite font. Courier New. If only I could fucking edit it. How do I do that? That's the move tool. Can I just like click into the text? See, it won't fucking let me do it. Google. Edit text. Paint.net. Editable text plugin. I guess you can't edit it without a plugin. Unfortunately, once you've committed text onto a layer, you can't retype it. It's kind of stupid. That pisses me off. Plus, like... Okay, I guess we'll save it. We'll make a new layer. Hold up. We're just gonna have to redo part of it. Oh, look at that. It's saved. So what we'll do is we'll line up we'll line up our old rectangle, or our new rectangle with the old rectangle. It's a little smaller. Shit. I know some of you are probably fucking cringing at me trying to use this right now. But I'm not a designer, and I don't really do this. But it's better than paying someone to build us a thumbnail, and we don't have any fucking viewership right now. There's only like 10 people. There's no revenue either, so there's no point in doing that. Okay, now we make a new layer. I gotta make sure I don't fuck up. Da. Let me look something up real quick. What if I made it underlined? What if I made just this part underlined? So it's between the underlined one, the non-underlined one. Shit. Underline's not bad. Check on stream real quick. Make sure it didn't blow up. Oops, I just opened Steam. Great job. Hold up. We'll go to the browser while that. Yeah, I was looking up screenplays because like I think they use Courier New or Courier in screenplays. So that's kind of why I like it. Three watching right now. Nice. Three watching me fail over paint.net. I'm just letting Steam load. While I do that. Okay. Did Steam load? It did. And now it'll be closed. Oh, I think it opened off. Shit. Whatever. Alright, back to BizDev. Okay. Oops. So it's either that one or that one. Oh god. That one. It's like the eye exam. This one. I gotta move this first of all. A little bit over. Yeah, these are probably all off-centered to be honest. It's my bad. It's as good as we're gonna get it for now. Who the fuck cares? Fuck it. We're gonna save it. We can always go back to it. Now we're gonna export it. Fuck do I do that? JPEG? A BMP, I don't know what that is. JPEG, save. Okay. Flatten, whatever that means. So now we got a good logo. Let's pop into our my desktop's a mess. That's the wrong one. Oops. Here you go, everybody. This is what we made. Yay. Quite beautiful, right? It's set up just like you would see it on YouTube. I'm on the left side, Akash on the right side. uh, Someone go text Akash. Go send him this logo. Okay. So that's done. I had something else I have to do for BizDev. Podcast logo, podcast survey. Okay, so now we need to make a survey. Actually, let me open it before I do that. New folder. Podcast. I should have been putting music on this. I should have had a background music. So it's not as. So the silence is rare. Am I sweating? Dude, every time I fucking stream, I sweat. It's not because I'm nervous, I just sweat. It's weird. I'm out of coffee. That sucks. Okay. So I went ahead and made a new folder called podcast. We're going to go ahead and create a form. Ooh. This is called the Zach and Akash show. So right now, Akash and I are at the point where we can start. I know you guys have heard me say this like 100 times, but we're at the point where we are at a minimum viable product with our podcast. So now we got to start doing some customer discovery and just figure out who our recurring people are who watch this stuff. I know I see the same people every time. Not sure if you're here. It depends on what reason why you're here. Is it because you genuinely enjoy the show and it's like a good part of your day? Are you just being supportive? Do you click in and then like go away and make a comment or whatever? We just got to figure out who the people are who might be watching our podcast. And then at that point, with that amount of information, we can try to find other people like you, people with similar interests as you, whether that be through a Facebook ad or just by telling our friends who might be interested. And then we hopefully we can get them to watch the show. It's a good time. It's fun entertaining people, especially in a time like this when there's uncertainty and a lot of us are stuck inside. So why not listen to Zach and Akash fumble over our words? Hiya. Okay. So, first one. It's not a multiple choice. It's a short answer. Let's just make a bunch of these. Form description. Thank you for tuning in. Something like that. Oh, thank you for tuning in. This survey is for us and only us. It will help us figure out who is watching and what we need to do to improve our podcast. Okay. Your name. First name. So everything in here, it's for us. We're not gonna like sell your data to anyone. And anyways, we won't even have enough data to do that. Um, it's just some basic questions. Short answer, first name. That's required. Question 2. See, short answer, gender. I'll put that so we don't go into a debate. That's fucking required. Some of you are gonna fuck around with this. Just put an appropriate answer. Question 2. So your gender. How did you hear about us is a good question. So we're going to have a couple of options. So did you get a direct message from either Aakash or Zach? YouTube. So a subscription. No. You'll say YouTube feed. So that means if you're like I said, like if subscribed to Zach. We'll say YouTube recommended. I spelled that wrong. Spotify. So if you saw us on Spotify. No, Spotify. Spotify. Anchor. Guess we'll put it's not out there yet. Google Podcast or Apple Podcast. Recommended from a friend. This is also going to be required. Next question. Podcast rating 1 through 5. It will say podcast satisfaction. 1 through 5. 5 being bueno. Did I spell that right? Bruno. You know what? We'll just say 5 being good. Is there a way to get a checkboxes? Linear scale. You know what? The fucking camera's in the way. That's why I keep going like that. What the fuck? That's also required. So that's... Oh, I forgot the last... I mean, do we need last names? No, I don't think we actually need a last name. I don't even think we need a first name, to be honest. Let's move this to the bottom. The question we've been asking is... This is going to be a short response. We'll just do a paragraph, I guess. Why do you listen to podcast? podcast? Question mark. The fuck? I guess I can X this out. Hold up. I'm just checking stream. Make sure it didn't blow up. Did I X out stream? I did. Oh no, it's right here. Three people watching. So that must be me and other people. Where was I? Google form. Zach and Aakash. Customer discovery. Did I spell that right? Yeah, I did. I'm not the best at English. Or just spelling in general. Why do you listen to our podcasts? Oh, we didn't put age. That's an important one. Age. Yeah, that'll be a short answer. Oh shit, dude, that auto-corrected. Number. Whoa, that like auto. Number is a number. Custom error text. I guess that's fine. Why do you listen to our podcast? And then this will be a phone number. It's a short answer. And then email. These two aren't going to be required. Email collection setting. What the fuck? Yo, that's crazy. Let's not do that. Undo. And the reason I don't want to do that is because like the information's more important. Sometimes people don't want to give their emails. Phone number. So to receive texts on podcast. Shit, it's almost 11 o'clock. Podcast. Email. It's going to be this, but instead of text, it's going to be emails. Cool. That's good. Am I missing anything on customer? Basic customer discovery. Ugh. Suggestions. That's also optional. This should be fucking required. What am I doing? So notice how none of these are really biased questions. It's not saying, would you use our product? Or, do you have this problem every day? No, we're just gonna see what our customers will look like. That's the key here. You don't want to try to bias it. So that's something we fucked up on with our first business. Um, pull people aside in the library and be like, "Oh, here's our product. Do you want to use it?" And they'd say yes because they feel bad for us. So that's why they would, or they were just trying to be polite. Um, yeah, it's better just to go straight to market as we did. We could have spent 2 weeks building logos, um, planning our podcast, doing all this extra bullshit, building a website, getting all of our accounts set up, or we could have just straight up went onto YouTube and started talking as we did before. Um, and we see some people keep showing up, so obviously we're doing something that's not. We're doing something. I don't want to say right, but we're doing something that's a little sticky. Um, we're not looking for a niche. Our niche is Zach and Akash, so our personality is the niche. Um, that was a tip from Gary V. He would say, like, when we started YouTube, we were just like, okay, well, what the fuck is our niche? I was like, self help, self development. But Gary Vee would say that that's also that's not a good idea. You don't want to try to narrow down too quickly. Your niche should be yourself. If you're doing personal brand, as we are doing now, we're trying to build up our personal brands a bit. So our niche is Zach and Akash. That is the niche, and I think that's what we're gonna do for now. Um, Keeping our niche as our personalities is still a good MVP in our opinion too. Um, Keeping it broad, um, I don't really want to. I might get bored if I only talk about one subject, anyways. Like imagine if I only talked about just education for fucking every day. It's supposed to be a light podcast. Oh God, I am actually I'm sweating a lot. But yeah, don't want too much. I don't know what the fuck I'm saying at this point. Oh no, what I was gonna say is you also want to do it for yourself. One thing we're gonna talk about on another podcast is early monetization. Um, I did look at it's like how much money could you make from a podcast, but again, it's for you got to also do it for yourself. You got to enjoy what you're doing. So we're we enjoy the podcast, which is why we didn't notice how we didn't buy a bunch of mics or cameras and stuff like that. We just wanted to see, do you enjoy talking for an hour and then letting people listen? Um, Got to have some self awareness there. So yeah, just get 1% better every day. See, so you don't burn out, stuff like that. So that's what we're doing. Yeah, I think this. I think this is a good enough response or good enough survey. Um, Responses. There's no responses. Send. Oh, that's weird. An iframe. Shorten URL. Yes. Copy. Chat. Have fun. Tell me what you think. I'm gonna go preview it. Zach. 20. I am male. Oh God, how did I ever hear about this broadcast? Dude, this is a 5 out of 5 podcast because I'm in it. Stop being bad. 6. Email. 6. Submit. See? That's what it looks like. Cool. Oh, I know a good question we could add. Where'd it go? What the fuck? How often do you listen? We'll make that a short answer. That's also required. Cool. Okay. Let's see what else was on my weekly planner. Podcast info. Okay, so Aakash and I have to. It's another biz dev style thing. So title of our podcast is obviously the Zach Aakash Show. Some hold on, let me pull up the podcast, what it looks like. Spotify for podcasters. Your dashboard. Actually, no, we should be on Anchor. Anchor podcast. Damn, 5 plays on our podcast? That's like 5 more than we usually have. Get that shit out of my face. So, in case you're interested, go back to our browser. Yeah, this is like what we're using to host our podcast. It's called Anchor. Yeah. Top episodes. The only episode we put on. So, that's right. We do get some data here, but I think it's good that we test our own stuff as well. I don't know what's gonna pop up, so I'm gonna go back to BizDev real quick. Settings. Edit. Okay, yeah, I can go back. Yeah, so we have our podcast name, podcast description. That was kind of a filler description. Categories. Oh shit, I just displayed my email. Please don't hack me. Yeah, so we gotta go update that. So we'll go back, BizDev. Podcast description. Podcast description. Blah. Then categories. So the problem with categories is that we're consistently talking about a bunch of different topics. So you gotta figure out what category we actually fall into for people to find us. Podcast description. 2. After failing horribly and falling into a deep depression, Zach and Aakash decide to bring one of their decide to distribute one of their favorite activities. Talking. See? Fucking trying to... On this show, the niche is simple. Zach and Aakash. I don't know what I'm saying. See, I'm not a fucking English person either. And then I tell everyone I'm gonna go write a book and go write some blogs. Oh, I'm getting tired. I gotta go do school stuff soon. Zach and Aakash. Here they discuss various seemingly unrelated topics, connecting food with engineering, or dating with with I don't know, I'll say giraffes. Oh, what the fuck does this want me to change? Oops. What the fuck? Where did my giraffes go? What happened? Tune in live at 9 a.m. almost every day at the Zach Samputo YouTube channel, or listen whenever you want on Spotify, podcasts, or Google Podcasts, or Anchor. Hope to see you soon. How many words is that? Cool. Oh. I think we have to do characters. Oh no. Is it not gonna work? Oh no, we have 600 characters. Sure. I'm just updating. Upload an image. But if ours doesn't work, I'll be really pissed. Beautiful. Don't apply text. Update cover art. Nice. I think that's a good stopping point for today. Yeah. Decent. Beautiful. Alright, stream. That's good enough for now. Save. Should be reflected everywhere shortly. Right on. Okay. Well, I think I'm going to end it there. Um, yeah, that was basically just me working. That's some biz dev stuff. Oh my god. I think I did good. I think we're 1% better now. Now that we have a... Oh shit, I forgot to do a YouTube thumbnail. Fuck. It's also because I didn't add it into my planner. I'm gonna add that right there. Y'all want to see what my planner looks like? Check it out. It's pretty cool. That was pretty wild. Creating a blogging process, so get ready. You're gonna see some edgy blogs. I feel like sometimes my ideas are kind of heavy and seem serious, but I'm not that serious of a person. Oh, yeah. Okay, so purple, that's done. Done. I guess that's done. Ah, fuck it. So purple is actually the podcast color. So YouTube thumbnail. Honestly, I'm probably just gonna take our current logo and make it long. Something like that. Just make the border a little long. I don't know. Actually, no, because our YouTube channel is the live stream one. So maybe I'll do on the left side is our logo. Yeah, fuck it. Let's just do it right now while we're all here. BizDev. So I'm gonna, yeah, let's do file new. 1208 to the width is 1280 pixels by 720 pixels. Okay. All right. So let's just drag in our podcast logo. That head layer. Jesus fuck. Never mind. Background. We use the same exact color we just used. That is not the same exact color. Blank. What? Yo, I'm bugging. Add a new layer. We're gonna just slap that shit in there. Undo. Wrong. This one. See, it makes it so fucking big. We don't want that. We want a small one. Oh, yeah. I guess, okay, fuck it. It's gonna be a little different. Rectangle. Oh, shit. Rectangle. Color. White. Layer 2. Zach and Aakash. So we're gonna have to make a template just for different episodes. Fuck, that's thick. 96. 72. Courier new. Can't type it in. Nice. Beautiful. The Zach and Aakash show. Let's pop in our... Fuck. See, as soon as I like click away, it's gonna fuck everything up. Let's pop in our boys. About the same size. And then our microphone, right? Oh, Jesus fuck. Why do you have to break shit? Whoa. This could be a little different. It's kind of fucked up right now. See, what if we did like text here and it was like episode 8. It's okay. Fuck it. I'll come back. It's okay for now. It's got everything we need, but we just gotta rearrange it a bit. Okay. Yeah, I'm gonna end the stream there. Thank you all for joining in. It's been fun. Hold on, I gotta pull up the YouTube studio to end this shit. Unless it's already pulled up. Oh, that's chat. Yeah, I gotta pull it up. Doing our late night show. So it should be a good time. Yep. Goodbye.